Can I sit here?
Can I sit here?
Can I help you?
Can I help you?
Can I borrow your pen?
Can I borrow your pen?
Can I ask a question?
Can I ask a question?
Can I come in?
Can I come in?
Can I see your ID?
Can I see your ID?
Can I use your phone?
Can I use your phone?
Can I have some water?
Can I have some water?
Can I try this on?
Can I try this on?
Can I leave early today?
Can I leave early today?
Can I make a suggestion?
Can I make a suggestion?
Can I open the window?
Can I open the window?
Can I talk to you for a moment?
Can I talk to you for a moment?
Can I get you anything?
Can I get you anything?
Can I pay with cash?
Can I pay with cash?